So yesterday I had Subway for dinner, and I'm pouring my red wine vinegar in my sandwich. Just a normal, basic cold cut. Oh shoot! And how I get my cold cuts, I have extra mayonnaise, mustard, ranch, onions, and banana peppers. Yeah, that's about the only thing I got. And onions, and the lettuce and all that. Oh, and I got ranch on there too. I think I said that, but whatever. So, yep. This is what I had. And this is my other side of it. It's the bigger side. I ate the little side last night. So, how do you guys eat your Subway? Do you get the normal cold cut, or do you try different things? I try different things sometimes, but I have to be in the mood for it. This particular time, I was really just in the mood for just a cold cut.